Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix mobile data not working on Android device. So let's get started. So if your mobile data is not working on your Android device and you want to fix that problem, so to fix that problem what you can do is just scroll down and come up to your phone menu, and from here to fix this problem, first step what you can do is turn on your airplane mode. So just turn on your airplane mode and wait for a few seconds and then turn off your airplane mode. And after turning on and turning off your airplane mode, now you have to check if your mobile data is working. But if it's still not working, now what you can do is just tap on your settings. After tapping on your settings, now what you can do is just tap on this option which says network and internet. And after tapping on network and internet, now on mobile network. After tapping on mobile network, now what you can do is you have to check if your preferred network type. So if it's on 3G or 2G, so this might be the problem, so you might have to change it to 4G, or if you have a 5G option you can change it to 5G. So after changing your preferred network type, now what you can do is just tap on this advanced option and scroll down. After scrolling down, now what you can do is just tap on access point names. After tapping the access point name, you will come up over here, and from here what you can do is just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. So just tap on three dotted icon and then tap on reset to default. And by tapping on reset to default, now it will fix your network issues. So these were the fixes for your mobile data not working on Android device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.